Global is a project that you have to run in your school or your community. It's a chance for your young people to express themselves in ways that they might not have before. It's a chance for all of the people that you work with to see and witness the power of the arts and the power of working together to produce something amazing.
That seed which we are planting is a very powerful one.
What I love about Heart Global is that we're connecting with these kids on a really solid level of development and helping their hearts to open through the joys of singing and dancing and acting.
So I think we should make ourselves better people in order to make the world better.
My name is Mr. Aylett and I'm the principal of Bower Park Academy here in Romford, Essex. Why you should do Heart Global Arts is because it's inclusive, it promotes self-esteem, self-confidence and a real inclusive experience for all students no matter what ability they have within your school.
Currently we're here in Poland and we've had the most amazing 3 days so far here.
Don't think, just do it. It's absolutely a must.
I feel more confident and I feel like for even shy or even if you're not shy, it's really just like, it just makes you...
It's empowering.
Yeah, it makes you feel so much better after you do it. I'm very thankful for the people that actually taught me because they are really talented and they are my friends.
That is really amazing opportunity to just enjoy music through singing, through dance, through acting, and also as for me it's really about like opening myself.
Ever since Heart Global came here, I've enjoyed it so much. It's so empowering to just be here and all of the cast members are so nice. They're so happy all the time and it just brings such an energy into the workshops. It's just so amazing. I feel so it's so upbringing to be here and I don't know, I just love it so much every time I'm here.
I love Heart Global.